A pleasant day, everyone, especially the panelists. We are the first group to present our strategic management paper. I am Mr. Kapitan together with Ms. Angeles, Ms. Belisano, Ms. Caranto, Ms. Lacostales, and Mr. Sanchez. We're going to present the different parts of our strategic management paper. For the first chapter, the introduction and business overview, here is the mission and vision statement of Pet Valley. While here is the objectives of the company.
And here's the milestone of the company. As you can see, year 2007 established Pet Valley in their first branch in Pooktu, Silang, Cavite. And they started planting pine trees from pets remains in the year of 2022. And now, year 2024, they will started fundraising for a cause to help Aspin dogs. And their statistics, they offer services like mass burial, individual grave service, cremation service, and their daily operation is 10 to 15 pets, maximum of 20. Estimated daily revenue 70,000 to 105,000, and estimated monthly revenue is 2,100,000 to 3,150,000.
And as for Chapter 2, or the external and industry analysis, after the PESEL and SWOT analysis, the key external factors affecting Pet Valley are economic conditions, social trends, and environmental compliance. Their strengths include unique services with high-quality ceremonies, while weaknesses are the remote location and reliance on solar power. Opportunities include expansion and technological advancement, with threats from seasonal demand fluctuation and competition.
Next is the Porter's Five Forces analysis for Pet Valley. Threat of new entrants, moderate due to uniqueness and regulations. Supplier power, low as Pet Valley control services. Buyer power, high with numerous service options. Substitute threat, low given specialized services. And for the industry rivalry, high competition.
For external factors, economic conditions, social-cultural trends, lifestyle changes, technological advancement, regulatory compliance, environmental responsibility.
For the third chapter, which is the internal analysis, we're going to have the mission diagnosis. As you can see here, there are 9 components of the mission statement. For the recommendation on company's mission, the mission statement is excellently stated as it is, but we're going to integrate the point of view of the employees. That's why our recommendation for the mission is to honor the lives of departed pets by providing a peaceful and meaningful resting place that they've served, to provide righteous information options, sincere and delicate care from our compassionate and empathetic employees, in easing every pet owner's grief.
And to the recommendation on company's vision, the revised vision aims to make Pet Valley the top provider of pet care and afterlife services, focusing on excellence and innovation. It addresses technology, growth, profitability, and employee welfare.
And to communicate the mission and vision to employees and stakeholders, the company may consult or conduct monthly seminars and performance evaluations for each employee.
For major strategic issues to address, first, infrastructure and accessibility improvement, geographic expansion, brand recognition enhancement, consistent service quality.
The organizational elements affecting growth and productivity. Pet Valley's commitment to tradition, quality, and cultural relevance, along with its inclusive hiring policy and incorporation of Filipino cultural elements, drive its growth and productivity with 24/7 service availability, high hygiene standards, and active community involvement. Pet Valley not only enhances its reputation but also ensures a consistent and compassionate service. Next, recommended expansion strategy. Conduct market research to identify high demand locations, obtain necessary funds and permissions. It is necessary to open a new branch in the North area, train and recruit employees, to recruit employees with kindness and the training to maintain the Filipino tradition, address weaknesses in location and infrastructure, improve road access and invest in reliable electrical supply. Road access and electricity supply are the weaknesses of Pet Valley in location and infrastructure. Diversify service portfolio with personalized memorial products, for example, customizable urns. Improve online presence with a user-friendly website and mobile app. The ease of access attracts more customers.
And next is the chapter 4, the strategic objectives, recommendation, and action plans. For strategic objectives for the next 3 years, we use the SMART method. First is the specific. They should increase revenue by 45%, 15% annually, amounting of 14,175,000 by end of 2027, and establish a significant market presence in Northern Philippines or Tarlac region. Next is the measurable. track progress via financial records and quarterly assessments, monitor market share in targeted areas through market analysis. Next is the achievable. Enhance services, expand geographically, and implement targeted marketing. Open one new branch after 3 years in the selected region. And next is relevant. Supports Pet Valley's financial stability and growth goals aligning with the mission to serve more pet owners across the Philippines. And lastly, the time bound. Achieve revenue and market share targets by the end of 2027.
For the recommendation business strategies, we have geographical expansion, staff development, digital transformation, continuous service improvement, sustainability, and CSR programs. These strategies aim to enhance Pet Valley's competitiveness and sustainability.
And for our recommendation for organizational strategies to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate threats, Pet Valley should invest in infrastructure improvements, continue training and development programs, diversifying service offerings, maintaining a focus on sustainability and environmental responsibility. And again, we are the Better Unity or the BUN, and that's it for our paper.